To create an account on Walmart. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can create a Walmart account. So to create a Walmart account, first of all, you need to open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. After that, on the web address bar, type in www.walmart.com. You can also find the link on the description box below. Now it's going to take you to its official page. So to create an account, click on the sign in button located in the top right hand side corner. After that, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. So from the drop down, you'll be able to tap on sign or create account. Now to create an account, you just need to enter in the email address first of all. Once done, click on the continue button. So you have to enter in your first name, last name and create a password, and make sure to go through all of these terms and conditions. So quickly enter in all of the information. Once done confirming all of it, click on create account, which is right at the bottom. In order to confirm that you're not a bot, you need to go through some kind of verification. So as you can see, this is a sort of verification. So you need to follow the instruction what has been asked. So in order to verify your account and to keep it safe, you'll be asked to provide in your phone number or the contact details as well. So you need to enter in your phone number and click on the send code button, as this is going to send you a verification code. So after you're done verifying it, you'll be taken to this page, which indicates that you've successfully created your Walmart account. In this way, you can create a Walmart account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.